Stardom is always accompanied by a lot of love, money, and popularity, but with it also comes constant unwarranted public scrutiny, which often surpasses the parameter of insensitivity. Stars are not only shamed for their personal choices, but also for how they look. The latest victims of a bunch of armchair critics are the very gorgeous Angelina Jolie and Nicole Kidman. The two lovely ladies dressed to impress at the 81st Annual Venice International Film Festival, but some people chose to body shame them, instead of focusing on the fact that they look too amazing for their age. Oscar-winning actor Angelina Jolie stole the show with her fashion at the world premiere of Maria, where she channeled her inner diva just like the character she plays in the movie. The 49-year-old hit the red carpet wearing a stone chiffon draped asymmetric gown by designer Tamara Ralph, paired with a fur stole, as temperatures soared into the upper 80° Fahrenheit in Italy. Bold choice, we say. Her overall look ranked very high on the glamometer. But some netizens could not stop talking about how fragile she looked. They pointed out that she looked too thin and unhealthy, and her ropey, veiny arms looked horrible. That's not all. 56-year-old Nicole Kidman's pictures also received a barrage of body-shaming comments online. She too graced the red carpet for the premiere of her film Baby Girl, wearing a Schiaparelli Couture Fall 2024 dress. The sexy outfit featured a lace-up corset bodice with a structured waist, sequin fringe, and intricate beading. The back of the dress had a sexy slit, which she paired with black pumps. She looked so beautiful, right? Well, now listen to this. Some netizens called her anorexic and unnaturally thin. Well, it looks like they forgot that bodies change with age and women lose muscles over time that shrink their body. What world do nitpickers live in? La La Land, where everyone is young, happy, and perfect. Nonetheless, we loved their red carpet looks and even their next looks, where both wore breezy black dresses from different designers. Do show your support for the ageless divas in the comments, and do subscribe to Shosha for more from the Venice Film Festival.